Time to recharge. Understanding and using the phrase. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we'll dive into the phrase, time to recharge. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, read in books, or even come across in everyday conversations. Understanding its meaning and usage will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you in expressing a very common human experience. So, let's get started. Time to recharge can be understood in both a literal and a figurative sense. Literally, it refers to restoring energy to something that runs on power, like when you plug in your phone because the battery is low. This is straightforward. You're simply giving your device the power it needs to function. Figuratively, and more interestingly, it refers to taking a break to restore your own energy. When people say they need time to recharge, they're often talking about taking a rest from their busy lives, maybe by relaxing, doing a hobby they love, or simply doing nothing at all. This is crucial for maintaining a balanced life and preventing burnout. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, both formally and informally. 1. In the workplace, you might hear someone say, "I'm taking a week off work. It's time to recharge." This indicates they need a break to regain their energy and come back more productive. 2. In social settings, a friend might decline an invitation by saying, "I'll pass on the party tonight. It's time to recharge." This shows a need for personal space and rest. 3. For self-care. In a world that's always on, it's important to recognize your own need for a break. Saying to yourself, "It's time to recharge," is a healthy way to acknowledge that you need to prioritize your well-being. Different cultures perceive the concept of recharging differently. In some cultures, taking time off for self-care is highly valued and encouraged. In others, constant work and activity are the norms, and taking a break might be seen as laziness. However, the global trend is increasingly recognizing the importance of rest and recuperation for overall productivity and health. Understanding and using the phrase, time to recharge, not only enriches your language skills but also your life. It's a reminder that like any battery, our energy is finite and needs replenishment. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to find that perfect balance in your life. Remember, taking time to recharge is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.